Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, on va faire une nouvelle leçon. Today we are going to do a new lesson. Though the theme is the same, les vacances, we will still be learning new vocabulary and sentence structure. Les vacances, holidays. Let's start with the lesson. Before we start with the lesson, I would like to insist you to use your headphones for best experience. We are in week 4 now. Learning objective. Can I talk about holiday plans using the near future tense? Success criteria. Grow. I can recognize and memorize key French vocabulary. Flourish. I can link the verbs and activities learned to present my holiday. Succeed. I can compose sentences describing pictures using variety of vocabulary learned so far. Our today's vocabulary is all about places. We are going to see different kinds of places. En ville, which means city. À la montagne, which means at the mountain. Au bord de la mer, which means seaside. Je répète, I repeat. En ville, à la montagne, au bord de la mer. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire pendant les vacances? That means, what are you going to do during holidays? We are going to learn different kinds of activities that we do in different kinds of places. En ville, in the city, we could do these activities. Faire du shopping, visiter des monuments, monter la tour Eiffel, faire une excursion en bateau sur la rivière. Faire du shopping, which means to do shopping. Visiter des monuments, to visit monuments. Monter la tour Eiffel, to climb up the Eiffel Tower. Faire une excursion en bateau sur la rivière, which means to do an excursion in the boat on the river. À la montagne, in the mountain, you could do these activities. Faire du ski, skiing, faire de la randonnée. Hiking, faire du snowboard, snowboarding. Prendre des photos de montagne, to take photos of the mountains. Au bord de la mer, on the seaside, you could do these activities. Me bronzer sur la plage, sunbathing on the beach. Nager dans la mer, to swim in the sea. Manger une glace, to eat ice cream. Jouer au volleyball sur la beach, to play volleyball on the beach. Je répète, vous répétez après moi. I repeat, you repeat after me. Faire du shopping. Visiter des monuments. Monter la tour Eiffel. Faire une excursion en bateau sur la rivière. Faire du ski. Faire de la randonnée. Faire du snowboard. Prendre des photos de montagne. Me bronzer sur la plage. Nager dans la mer. Manger une glace. Jouer au volleyball sur la plage. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire pendant les vacances? Hope you remember what it means. It means, what are you going to do during the holidays? Your answer to this question should start with when you are going to have your holidays, which means you could either write pendant les vacances or ce weekend or l'été prochain. Pendant les vacances, you already know it means during the holidays. So weekend means this weekend. L'été prochain means next summer. So when you're writing these words, your sentence should continue with future tense. And now you will continue by adding where you will have your holidays, which place exactly. So your sentence will start like this. Je vais aller, I'm going to, en ville, à la montagne, au bord de la mer. You will write one of them. En ville is to the city, à la montagne, to the mountains, au bord de la mer, to the seaside. And you will continue your sentence with the different kinds of activities that you will do in that place. Je vais faire, je vais jouer, je vais nager, or je vais aller. If you would like to add many more activities, you could go back to the previous slides and find some more activities and add into your sentences. Over here I've given one example which will be helpful to you. Ce weekend, je vais en ville et je vais visiter des monuments. This weekend, I'm going to the city and I'm going to visit some monuments. Your today's task is, look at the pictures and make sentences linking the pictures together. You have 15 minutes to complete this task. You will write number 1 and then you will link all the pictures in number 1 and create a sentence. Then you'll write number 2, link all the pictures in number 2 and write a sentence. And at the end, number 3, link all the pictures in number 3 and create a sentence. If you have doubts in composing your own sentence, go back to the previous slide, look at the example. Now, it's the success criteria, expectation of today's task. Your sentences should have a sentence starter, continued by je vais, and then a place, along with connectives, and then again je vais, and then verbs with holiday activities. Complete your task and upload it on Teams. I'm waiting to see all your sentences. Au revoir.